We're making a quesadilla.
Beautiful. So what do we need for this recipe?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
So what do we have here?
Cheese.
Okay, and what do we have here? What are they called? Do you know what they're called?
A quesadilla.
Tortilla?
A tortilla.
Perfect. So what we're going to do first is...
We're going to put some cheese on.
Perfect. So,
I know. No, this one.
Okay, let's put some mozzarella on top. Okay.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella sticks.
Do you want to take some and put it on the tortilla? Perfect. We're going to put it on half of the tortilla, and then we're going to fold it in half. Perfect. And then we're going to put it on a warm skillet.
Whoa,
Warm skillet. Oh my God, we're falling apart. Then we're going to put it on a warm skillet. And then that's it. So stay tuned for more. So we're going to fold it like this. Okay?
Can I tell you what it is?
And then we're putting it on the warm pan. So all we did was we just sprayed with a little bit of coconut oil. And yeah, we're gonna wait till it's nice and hot. Are you eating all the cheese? Mm-hmm. Super simple, easy recipe. Do you like quesadillas? Yeah? And for another quesadilla, I mean, you can add anything. You can add spinach, you can add...
Spinach, tomatoes, cheese.
Yeah, you could add ham.
Ham?
Ham, like a prosciutto, you think?
Prosciutto too.
Yeah, maybe we can. We just don't have
any.
any.
Even salad.
Salad, you think?
Yeah.
Spinach, yeah.
That is salad.
Okay, and there, let's go over to the pan to see how it's going with Chef Anth.
Chef. And with Chef Daddy.
And then with your quesadilla, you can serve with some sour cream, salsa.
Salsa?
Do we have any salsa?
This is sour cream.
No, that's not sour cream. That's spray for the that. We'll show you the final product coming right up. Listen to that sizzle. Nice color.
Wait, it's turning another color.
It's good. It means it's cooking. There we go.